Hi, I am Palak. We do a lot of projects including residential, commercial, hospitality, a lot of large-scale amenities for real estate developers and retail, etc. So we have all kinds of projects that we have been doing since 1991 when Mr. Manish Choksi and Urvi Choksi established the firm. So we do extensively use wood, especially natural wood like veneers, and we use a lot of dyed veneer, which has been the case for the last few years especially, and definitely it adds a lot of warmth to any space. So for residential and commercial spaces, it's a product that we use extensively. What prompted us more was initially we used to use synthetic solvent-based products, and they had a very plastic feel to them. They looked not natural, almost made the veneer look like laminates. So when we first started using water-based, what we realized was that it really enhanced the feel of the real wood. It gave us the look of the open pores, the feel of the natural grain, which is what we were looking for. We wanted to highlight the natural beauty of the wood. And since we used water-based for the first time, we have only been using water-based products from IRCA. So our favorite Aquabella products are Nature Wood and Natural Touch. I think the green-friendly concept is something that everybody is embracing nowadays. And when we did start using the water-based products, we did realize that it was better for the people who are doing the application as well as long-term for the clients. So I think water-based as a category offers some aesthetic positives, like I said, about the finishes and the uniformity of the finish and the clarity of the open grain and pores. Along with that, of course, it is green and it has a lot of health benefits for long term for the client as it uses less harmful chemicals. So some of the benefits that we see of using the water-based finish is that the finish gives a dead matte look, which is really trending. So aesthetically, it's quite pleasing and helps us get our desired effect. Definitely, I think it will be growing, especially in our firm. Since we have started using the water-based PUs, it has become a default specification in all our projects. That is the only PU that we used. So far, we haven't come across anything that has been negative, neither in terms of the finish or the quality or any complaints from our clients. So we are currently very happy with the product.